we're at Mash, Monster Mash in Tweed, close by the municipality of Tweed. We had a great day on Lake Stoco. Everybody fly fishing for muskie, and I had to ask them a question. I had to do a poll, and the poll was, how many people saw muskie on the flight yesterday? Put your hands up. That's awesome. That is awesome. You know how many fish that was?
58.
A lot of fish.
One really tired one.
Yeah.
One swimming circles. It's a busy fish.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I got something really special for you guys. I am here in the first ever musky fly fishing tournament in Tweed, Ontario. And I am so ecstatic because I'm going to be representing Team Vision Fly Fishing Canada and the first ever musky fly fishing tournament probably in Canada. So I hope you guys enjoy. Thanks for tuning in. Let's go hit the water. All right,
That's getting out of line.
yeah,
Line
we're
number.
getting into our stages and lanes now, guys. We're doing a shotgun start, 10-second intervals. This is gonna get crazy right quick. It's gonna be crazy. Yeah, hashtag Team 12.
Hang on, boys.
Go, boys. Here we go, Team 12. Quick jaunt across the lake. We're in location. I'm going to do a little quick intro here of our team. Up front we got Steven Crawford.
Hello.
He's a field staff and brand ambassador for Vision and other teams. Behind me I got Maxim.
Hello.
Maxim's our future superstar angler, fly tire. And probably this young guy will teach me more than I ever do or know about muskie, so let's get her done. Oh, and I'm going to throw the GoPro on. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, yeah, cool.
This is bucktail and body tubing.
Okay.
And feathers and flash.
Oh,
What?
is that a take?
Was it really?
Keep going, man, keep going.
Just smashed it, man.
Dude, I seen that go taunt for a second. Do your figure eights, do something. See anything? Dude. Oh man, you should have seen your face. Ooh. Line management, that's going to be my big thing today. That's why I do get caught on everything. I guess now it's time to do a little update. It's 10 o'clock now, 10:03 to be exact. This is our second location now. Hitting up another bay, seems like a real primo spot. Boys are feeling it. Let's see if we cannot get our first muskie on the line. Alright, so since I didn't have that on camera, Steven had his first follow.
Monster follow.
And I think his little heart just had a little panic attack.
Anybody got some aspirin?
That's our first follow this morning, guys. And changing up the technique was probably our first good thing to do. And you know what, guys? Everybody was saying, do your figure eights. And there's a reason for it. Because that muskie was right at the boat. Literally, its nose was behind the fly when Steven was getting ready to do his figure eights. We're right off this weed bed here. If you can see, we get a good close up.
At the river mouth where it dumps into deeper water.
The river's right there. So that's the mouth all along here. These guys. Bunch of pirates. We should have did a theme too. Got all dressed up for Halloween.
Is that what they're dressed up?
Well, it's called the Monster Mash. It's kind of like around.
It's based
Around-
on Halloween. They got
on-
pumpkins for trophies.
Yeah. Okay guys, let's do a little bit of talking while the guys are fishing here. I'll talk about the gear. Vision, well, Courtney sent us a couple of rods, and Steven over here got them all ready last night with new lines, new rods, new reels. They supplied us with a Big Daddy 2.0, the Mama and the Mama 2.0, I believe.
This and a couple of granddaddy rods.
The Granddaddy rods as well. And you can see Maxim is throwing one over there. It's the Big Daddy 2.0, 10 weight. Woo, he's giving me a shower at the same time. Steven's throwing the Big Mama. And this stuff gets out there real nice. This one here, oh, I'll take the other one. So they got different varieties of lines on them. Sorry, Steven. This one here is the Big Daddy 2.0, or no, sorry, this one's just a Big Daddy. Yeah. So that's it. 4 rods, all set up for muskie, and they can be used as pike as well. nice and heavy, and they give you a shower while you're talking about it. All right, 4:58, 2 minutes left, last cast. One last Hail Mary. Catch some big muskie there, Scotty.
What's going on, buddy?
I heard you catch a big one.
Trying, yeah.
Fuck,
man.
buddy, congrats, man. That's
Thanks,
awesome.
man. Thanks, dude.
Yeah. On a big daddy too, eh?
Yeah.
How'd that feel?
Good. I'm surprised.
Take the hangover away?
I still got a bit of it, but I'm gonna get rid of it.
Oh, there you go. Hangover. What hangover? So that's the end of day one. Just a quick resume. Captain happened to bring one into the boat. He was a big guy. Definitely 40-inch plus. Definitely 40-inch plus. He was a big guy. And then we had another one come in. He hooks at it. I seen that rod load up.
Yeah.
And he spit the hook right out, cuz
Trout set.
trout set. That's what happens when you're trout anglers and you're getting into the musky game. But tomorrow,
It might be a little bit of rain, but we're gonna try our best.
going to put it on our good side and we're going to catch some fish. So next time you see me, we'll be in day two. Okay guys, it's morning of day two. We're in the cabin. We're not on the lake yet. And it's not going well. We had some bad winds last night and some bad rain. And as you can see, the boat is parked right there. It's not in the water anymore, it's there. We took it out last night at 9 o'clock at night, something like that. And now we're back here. We're waiting on the call from the officials. Since it's a tournament, they don't want to take any chances for liability reasons, and I can understand. But I really want to land my first muskie. I didn't land one yet, and I was kind of hoping that today would be my redemption day. It's not looking good, guys. Really not looking good. Fingers crossed. So before we get to the end of this video and I conclude, I want to do a huge shout out. I got to thank Courtney for getting a hold of me and giving me this opportunity to go out and fly fish for muskie in the first ever fly fishing muskie tournament in Canada. I know I've said it a lot during this video, but like it's just, I don't know, it's mind-blowing that I got to do this. It's going to go down in the history books, you know what I mean? So thank you very much, Courtney. Thank you very much to Steven for letting me get on his boat and hooking some line with him. I got to pick his brain, and same with Maxim. I got to pick his brain. He was our fly tyer. And thank you for Vision for supplying us the rods and all the gear. I will have all of their stuff. The link will be in the description to the rods we are using, as well as the Vision online shop and all that stuff. That will be in the description. Event organizers, you guys, I don't know how you did it. There was no monetary prizes, but it was still just as fun. And it was for fun, I do get it, but thank you very much to the event organizers. You guys were awesome. It was the best tournament I've been to so far. I haven't been to many, but this one was awesome. I got to hook some line for some muskie. Didn't land one, but hey, it was awesome. I got to be part of the history books on that one. And another little shout out to Beachwood Hollow. Thanks for holding us up at your resort. It was an awesome place. It was comfortable and I really liked it. That will also be in the description so you guys can check them out. And the last but not the least, I'm going to thank Evan Gillis. Like, I legit sent him a message last week. Dude, I need flies for muskie. And I think within 48 hours he had over a dozen tied up for me and sent through the mail. Thank you very much, Evan. I will leave your link in the description for your Instagram page if anybody wants to hit you up and check your flies. And thanks, man. I really appreciate it. All right, so let's get to the awards and let's head on over.
Vision, Mike, full-on outfit here. I think I'm just gonna check. So
Line,
you guys
line
know,
included.
yeah, we got a line, we got a reel, we got a rod. Full outfit, by Vision. Great supporter.
It was actually, we had two
No, it was a 47-inch musky cod.
Yeah.
It was clear on the second picture that I got. The only reason I didn't get it right away, it was on a GoPro. They had to upload it and send it to me. It was a clear 47. I showed many people. Anyone that wants to see it, feel free to come along.
It's still surpassed everyone else.
Yes.
So we're good.
It's a tremendous fish to put in the boat, and it's amazing that it was his first muskie he's ever put in the boat.
So team number 14, the drop stick muskies.
Drop it. Great job, man. Congratulations. No, the team effort.
Yeah, it's a team job. Because who netted the fish? There you go.
She's just fucking shivering, you know.
Hear that, Nick?
I know.
Another great weekend. Loved it. Had some fish come, had some fish go. Didn't make the podium, but there's always next year.
Yeah. All right, everyone, that's a wrap for 2019. As Steven said, we didn't boat any fish. We had a nice follow. Hook set one and lost it. But hey, that's musky fishing. I'm still gonna put this video out. It was such a humbling experience. It was so freaking awesome to be able to fish the first ever musky fly fishing tournament in Canada, and to get the fish with Vision Fly Fishing Team with Maxim and Steven. It was freaking awesome. Like, I'm pretty sure that I'm hooked to the fly fishing world now, and I'm maybe gearing up, getting more into the fly fishing. So stay tuned for that. Thanks everyone for tuning in. Smash that like button. We'll catch you guys in the next video.
That's a wrap.